Hi, welcome to the video. Today I'll show you how to use cheat engine on Manor Lords. So let's start with a new game. Then let's choose someone and an icon. Then we just start the game. Maybe let's do relaxing. Then anyway, just choose relaxing. Any will do. But for us beginners, we just choose rise to prosperity. Then we begin. Alright, welcome to the settlement. We are at the... where are we? We are at the upper left side of the map. And where are the people? Okay, they are here. Okay, first thing we have to do is open up cheat engine. So Windows cheat engine, so you will see this window. Just click on this icon on the upper left, select a process to open, click on Manor Lords and click open, and then if you see a pop-up, just click no. Then first thing we gotta do is build a logistics, then granary and storehouse. So let's get to doing that. So let's just put that beside each other. So that's granary and storehouse, and then make a road going to the hitching post. This one is the hitching post, so this goes here. And then look for the animal camp, which is here, wild animals. Then construct gathering and hunting camp. Just make it as close as possible, like that. And then also connect it using the R key, make a road, and make it going here to the granary or the hunting post. So let's make a shortcut there. So now they are linked together. And then let's also make some houses. Residential, and then burgage plot. And then just make a square. Oops, we don't have enough resources. So let's just make a small residential home. Or can we do that? Maybe not, because we need timber. We have to make logging camp so we can farm more timber, then we can make the houses. So let's just put it here on the right side, and then let's make a road going here. So everything needs to be connected to both storehouse and granary. Then let's click on fast forward so they can start building. So click on logging camp, put 2 people there or families. And then on the hunting camp, put 1 people or 1 family there. And then on the granary, put 1 person there, and the storehouse, put 1 person. I need to take 1 family from the logging camp so I can still build other things. Alright, I'm waiting for my timber to be maybe 6. Alright, so this one now has 6 meat and 18 bread. This one has firewood, stone and hides. So we'll just farm a bit because we need a bit of value. Hold on. Let's change our construction. logging, oh, not logging camp, residential, then breakage plot. Probably I'll make it oh wait, let's choose the well first. Okay, so the water is here, so I can put the well over here and then make the residential area near that, so like that. So there will be 3 families and the well, and then we'll connect them all together, going back here to the hitch post. This one, hitching post. Alright, so how's the meat going? So we got 17 meat, so let's try it now. So first we gotta do is click pause, then alt tab, go to cheat engine, make sure it says here Manor Lords, then just type the value here. So going back, the value is 17, put 17 here, click on first scan. So wait for it. Alright, so now there's a lot of values here, so we have to scan a bit more by changing the value. What I mean is, by getting more meat, the value will change, or by them eating the meat, the value will change, and then we will do another scan. So we click pause again here, then now the value is 15, so from 17 we change to 15, click on next scan. So the value is still a lot, there's a lot of values here, so we'll have to change that again. We must have at least 1 or 2 values from the addresses for it to work, because if we suddenly change a lot of values, the game can crash. Okay, how's that going? How's the meat going? Alright, so we got 14, 15, 18. Let's try again. 18 now. 18, next scan. Alright, so these are the values. There's still a lot. I'll try again with another change, see if we can still reduce it further. But if I'll add another one, hunting limit, so 10. Let's add hunting limit to 15. According to them, is to what I watch, is not to max out the hunting limit, because if we max it out, then no animals will spawn anymore. So now it's 16, from 18 to 16. So next scan. Oh, okay, so it seems to be locked out like this. So we'll just try and highlight everything. So how to do that is click highlight, or hold left click and highlight everything, and then right click on empty space, change value of the address, and then change it to 99. Now click OK, then click here, copy all items to the address list. So now the value is 99. We go back to the game. Then as you can see, now the meat is 99. Then we can continue play, and now you have 99 meat. However, don't freeze the value here unless you know that it's for the meat, because the game can crash. And the reason why I only put 99 is because my storage is only around 5 500, so if I put like 999, then that's gonna be too much. My storage is only up to 500. But anyway, you can just manually change the value, and whichever value makes it to 99, that's the real address. Now let's try with a different resource. What about this? Oh, I don't have. Regional wealth is only 50. I'm not sure if we can change it with very minimal amount. Let's see if we can. 15, so let's try. We will change the regional wealth. So we have 50. Oh wait, I forgot to pause the game. So pause the game. 50. New scan, first scan. Just wait for it to be finished. Okay, now that's finished. Now we play the game, then we click here to construct backyard extension. Click on the vegetable garden. So now we have 35. We pause the game, go back, put 35. So we click on next scan. So we have 3 values here. So highlight everything, right click, change value of selected addresses. Now change this to 9999, 999, like that. Then click OK. Then click this red icon. Now let's go back to the game. And then let's play the game. Will it change? I'll try to upgrade this again to vegetable garden, and yeah, it changed. So my tip here is don't freeze the values here, because if you do, the game could crash. But what you can do is just delete all of this and then try again. So to do that, just maybe highlight like that and delete this record. And then once you don't have enough money, then you can do it again. Just scan it, whichever the value is. So now, for example, we have what can we do here? Now I have a lot of money. I can maybe go for goat shed, or for the hitching post I can maybe get a horse, order a horse. Then upgrade stable, we need a certain thing. This one, we need the saw pit to make the planks. Where is our... This is the lodging. Maybe I'll just put that here. Wood. Oh, this one is for the firewood. Yeah, this one is very important. And I'm just gonna link them. Since I have 0, they're not gonna build it. We need to allocate some people. And since I have a lot of meat now, I don't really need to hunt more animals. So they can be free. And I have unlimited meat. Homelessness. timber. So let's just make a few more houses for the homeless people. With what's happening? Too steep to build. Why is that? Okay, I can build that. Anyway, now you guys know how to make unlimited food. Now let's do unlimited resources, like unlimited firewood, like that. So woodcutter's lodge. Let's put someone there. I got 12 firewood, so click pause. Then 12 is a firewood. Then new scan, then first scan. Okay, now we click on fast forward again. Okay, now my firewood is 10, 11. Alright, maybe 10. Then go back cheat engine, put 10 on the value, like next scan. There's still so much. I'll have to wait. Okay, perhaps we can still go here, upgrade, whatnot. If you want, you can put the chicken coop like that. How many timbers do we have? 24. Anyway, let's go back here because we wanna have unlimited firewood. So we got 16. Click pause. Go back. Put you 16. Next scan. Alright, nice. We have 2 values only. So we change this to our maximum storage is 250. So let's just make that like 69. Let's see if that one changed it. No. What about this one? 69. Okay, then check. This one changed it, the second one, so that means we can delete this. And that's not the one. This is the right address. So we can make it and change it to any item we want. So let's say 6. We want it to be 50. Then okay, go back to the game. You see it's now 50. If you want that to be permanent, you can click on here on this X. If you want to change the name, double click and just type firewood. That way you know that it's firewood, and then you can continue and making other resources to be permanent as well. So far, yeah, that's what I've been up to. Yeah, not much yet on the army. I haven't explored the game yet to build my militia. So for now, I'm only able to create some resources and whatnot, but I'm still not that good at the game. Anyway, if I find anything or something good, then I'll share it with you guys. I'll end this video here, and as always, thank you for watching.